I invest $2,000 with Acorns and make profit fast. Acon help you to save and invest in spare change, bank smarter, earn bonus on investment and more. I don't know nothing about stocks and bonds. A friend sent me a link to join Acon and I join it. I do a little digging on YouTube and get some understanding. So I gotta share my screen. So on my screen here it's showing 2,125.39 cents. Below that it's showing you total gain of $123.44, which is 6.7% earnings. I don't know if that is a lot or what. I don't know anything about Acon, but all I know that I put $2,000 over a 3-month period and I get $100+. So Acon automatically select the ETF and they select large company stock, VOO, medium company stock, IJH, small company stock, IJR, international company stock, IX, US. I don't know what these things mean, but all I know within 3 months, I see a gain of $123. When the person who sent me this link and I asked them how much money I need to invest, how much money would I make, they say they don't know anything about this Acon thing. They just join it and send me the link. So what I am doing here is getting real-time information, how much I invest and how much I see I gain over what period of time. I don't know if this is making any sense to anyone, but I'm just sharing the information I have. So, Acon account value, so $2,125.39, and then it give you the gain and the percentage. Me not too have interest in that percentage, like deal with dollars. So it's the $1.23, $23.44. The percentage that is 6.17. That are the gain. I don't know much about these things, and then more about it. I get dividends. The same I can't find a part of them. I need to know about this thing. Alright. Down here, son. No, where the dividends part? Dividends. So see next data here on my phone screen showing last 30 days round up $16, one time investment $1,000, recruiting $100, dividends $15.06. I don't know nothing about stocks and bonds. I just have 3-month experience of this thing, so I'm just showing what I have and how I come to be doing stocks and bonds. I mean, I do the ETF. The ETF is like a group of company under one umbrella, so I do that. So I can show you my spare change, or it run on my spare change, and when I get the dividends and the weekly investment and one-time investment and all of these things. So that's why I come up to $2,000. So within 3 months, I gain $100 and plus dollars. I don't know if that make any sense, but a gain is a gain, and it's the first time I'm doing this. Just trying to share my information. If you find this information interested, please leave a like, leave a comment, press the notification bell, because I'll be doing more video like this. I'm not the guy for this type of video. I do construction and food, but I'm doing stocks, so why not talk about it and share what I know. So my dividends is $16 I get from companies who I buy stock from. The thing with this now, I was kind of fooling around another platform, but I don't think I should talk about much of this. They allow you to choose the stocks and whatever you want to buy, but in the Acorn they automatically select it. Okay, they don't want to show. They automatically select it. So here I'm going to change this to, no, not here, don't reach here. Well, I say I just making video. If it makes sense, let me know. If it don't make any sense, alright, yeah, this. So I'm going to change this to dollars. The return to dollars, and it show you, no, not the return, it show you how much Acorn place on each. So they use they select 4 ETF, and they put $1,106.80 and large company stock, that's VOO, and so this is how they do the whole total on $2,000. Medium company stock, they place $213.08, and the small company stock pays $109.35, and international company stock they place $642.16. So I don't know how they work on this, if that's the best idea and the best ETF to put the money on. I don't know that. I'm new to this, just sharing my information. So that is how they spend the money. I buy the bonds and stocks. Now this is just like ETF. The ETF common and stocks, whatever. And $123.44. So I spend $2,000 and I gain $123.44 within a 3-month period. Is that a waste of time or it's good? Let I know. So I'm new to this, just sharing my information. Hope this help. See you in my next video.